create that duplicate data. Why? Because my key should be unique in that case. So each and every entry
Hmm.
which I have in my hash entry hash table has to be a unique entry
Unity.
based on my key fields.
Hmm.
Okay. So as I said, standard table, when you create any internal table or when
Hmm.
you declare any internal table, it's a default table
Okay.
declaration. Standard is my default table declaration.
Hmm.
It's always non-unique, like there is no key field. As
Hmm.
you see, it is accessed using indexed.
Hmm.
It can be accessed via keys, but usually it's accessed via index.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
it uses a linear search algorithm.
Yeah.
Okay, it can be accessed through index or keys.
Hmm.
Response time is based on number of entries. See,
Hmm.
because it has some non-unique data and the algorithm uses linear. Linear means it checks the entries in the table one by one, one after one.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
first index, then second index, then third index. So let's say your entry is at the 10,000 index.
Hmm.
But while the table is searching data through, means while I'm performing any operation on a standard table,
Hmm.
is having data at 10,000 position.
Hmm.
Since it uses a linear search algorithm, the response time is a bit slow
Hmm.
in that
It will
case.
show
Okay.
one by one.
Okay. We can perform quick operations and less checks are performed by the system because it's being a non-unique table. Okay.
Hmm.
Since the key declarations are non-unique, there are no restrictions on this table. Okay,
Yeah.
and less checks are performed. So
Shorted table.
sorted tables can be either unique or
Or
non-unique,
non-linear. Hmm.
and already it's in a sorted format.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
now, since the data is in sorted format, the key fields are accessed via a binary search algorithm. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
it can be accessed through either keys or index.
Hmm.
As I said, internal tables are accessed via both ways, index and keys.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
response time is based on the logarithmic proportion to the number of entries present in the
Hmm.
table. So, anyways, your table entries are in sorted format,
Hmm.
but still, if there are a lot of entries in your
Hmm.
table, the response time is accordingly
Huh.
based on it. Okay.
Hmm.
So generally, your sorted tables and your standard tables are known as index tables.
Hmm.
Okay. The way it's accessed, that's why they are known as your index tables. Okay. Hash tables.
Hmm.
So, in case of hash, your entries should always be unique. Okay.
Hmm.
They don't have index because it's based on the keys, my
Hmm.
unique keys. Okay. So it's only accessed via my hash key.
Hmm.
The hash key is always unique.
Hmm.
Okay. It uses the hash algorithm to access the data. Okay. It's based
Hmm.
on the hash key, the key which I have mentioned while declaring the internal table.
Hmm.
Okay. Response time is independent on number of entries. Since because it uses the hashing algorithm,
Hmm.
it's able to access the data much more quickly. But it's rarely used. Like the default declaration is the standard declaration. It
Hmm.
varies based on your requirement, like what kind of internal table declaration you use.
Hmm.
Standard one, sorted one, or the cached one. Okay.
Hmm.
So yeah, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Different types of internal tables.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So apart from this, there are different operations which we can perform on internal table. So the operations on internal table is quite an important concept. Okay, maybe I'll keep this on hold for now.
Yeah.
I'll let you
Yes.
try first the local and global
Yes.
declarations when it comes to structures.
Hmm.
Then I think we could turn into this because I want to specifically spend time on
Yes.
operations on the internal tables, and I don't want you to mess this up or like at times we forget, so I don't want it or not. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we will do this in the next session.